Okay, welcome back guys. We're going to be solving another interesting question in today's video, and we have the square root of x plus a minus the square root of x minus 4 is equal to 2. And in the second line we have the square root of x plus a plus square root of x minus 4 minus 2, and we need to figure out the value of this. So looking at this, the first clue is that these two are the same and these two are the same. The only difference is the sign between these two square roots, and we can see that if we call this one a, this one b, we have a minus b, and on the second line we have a plus b, and that's going to ring a bell for us, because if we do the a minus b times a plus b, we will have the difference of two squares, which will be a squared minus b squared. So it seems that this is going to be a good strategy to start this question. So let's just do that. We're going to multiply the square root of x plus a minus x minus 4 times the square root of x plus a plus x minus 4. And let's see what we get from this multiplication. So basically we have x plus a squared minus square root of x minus 4 squared, which will be x plus a minus x minus 4, and this will be x plus a minus x plus 4, and from here the x will be cancelled out and we'll have a plus 4. This is what we got from the multiplication, a plus 4. But if we look at these, we'll see that what we have in here is equal to 2 based on what we have in here. So this is 2, and what we have in here, we're trying to figure out this amount. Let's call this y, which will be here, and what we need to figure out at the end is y minus 2, which is what the question is asking. So we know this will be equal to 2 times y. So what we have in here is that the 2y is equal to a plus 4, and if we divide each side by 2, we get y is equal to a over 2 plus 4 over 2, which is 2. And this is what we get from here, and what we need to figure out was y minus 2, which is a over 2 plus 2, which is our y, and minus 2. These two will be cancelled out and we get 1/2 of a, which would be the final answer for this question. Again, another question to play with difference of the squares. We can see we solved a lot of questions that we are using the difference of the squares to play with the equations, and it can simplify a lot of equations for us. All we need to do is just to be mindful of a minus b and a plus b, and that's what we get at the end for this one. So yeah, this would be all for this question. Please let me know if you have any question regarding this one, or if you have a better solution to solve this one. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.